Hi! Welcome to Maggie's Food Gallery! Today we will be making a Maja Blanca, this time without coconut milk. We need the following. First is 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of sugar, 1 can of whole kernel corn, 1 pack of all-purpose cream, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. We will be using 2 cups of this evaporated milk. Combine 1 pack of all-purpose cream and 2 cups of evaporated milk. Add in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of cornstarch. Whisk in low fire or low heat until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Stir continually until the mixture is smooth and thick. Okay, this is what we need. This should be your consistency. When it is almost free of lump, we need to add in the corn. I set aside a portion of corn for the toppings. When the corn is fully incorporated to the mixture, then you can transfer it to your container. Smoothen out the top of your Maja Blanca to look much better. Add in the corn for your toppings. You can also opt to have grated cheese as your topping or crushed peanut. But for this recipe, I wanted to put out some grated cheese. As you can see, this is our final product. That's another simple and easy recipe for you to try at home. If you enjoyed our video, please like, comment, and subscribe.